Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis. Today I'm filming a second video where I am trying out some e.l.f. products that I found at Target. So I got three, what are these called? I don't know. 3 lipsticks and 2 lip tints. And I got these all for a whopping 14 doll hairs. So super excited about that. And if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, so the first color I'm going to try is this really pretty pink shade. It's called Flirty and Fabulous. It looks like this on the back of the hand. And it is a very, very pink color. Very much a Barbie pink color. Now, in my original video, my first impression of this was it's super creamy, very easy to put on the lips. It doesn't tug, it doesn't pull. It is very opaque, and my lips are crusty. Oops. So it is a very bright pink color. This is not a color that I typically will put on. However, it does very much remind me of my MAC Flat Out Fabulous, which is this color here. But you can see that this one is quite a bit deeper than the e.l.f. color. This one is more of a fuchsia, whereas this is definitely more of a Barbie pink. So, next color I'm going to be trying on is going to be this really pretty brown color. It's called Blushing Brown. It's a very pretty, simple, nude brown color. Nothing like super extravagant, but I don't actually have any brown lipsticks, so I was really intrigued to try this one. Right, so here is Blushing Brown. Again, super creamy formula. Something that I did notice that kind of throws me a little bit is that when you put it on, it has this like artificial sweetener taste to it, like it actually has a taste. So that kind of throws me off a little bit. I'm not such a huge fan of that taste, but it smells good. Formula feels really super hydrating, really, really creamy on the lips. I really like this. So the next color I'm trying on is this ruby red. I am such a fan of reds. Love, love, love reds. This is a very blue toned red. I'm not a huge fan of orange toned reds just because it's not my thing. I do definitely love a blue red. And this is a very, this is quite a blue red. The red that I love more than anything in the world is Russian Red by MAC. And if I remember correctly, the stories that this is Russian Red here, and this is the Ruby Red from e.l.f. Now, if I remember correctly, Russian Red was developed by Madonna because she was doing a black and white video and wanted a true red for that video, and that's how they came up with Russian Red. Now, that was a story that somebody at MAC told me. I don't know how much of that is true, so don't come for me, but that's just what I remember hearing from the MAC counter. So this is what Ruby Red looks like on. Okay, the lipstick itself doesn't have like a scent to it, but this is what Ruby Red, looks like on. It is a very pretty red. I think it's very flattering. I really like this, and I think a lot of people with different skin tones can totally rock this color because it's so blue. Now, I just want to point out that it did stain my hand a little bit right here, so reds tend to do that, whether they're eyeshadows or lips, they tend to stain a little more. All right, so the next color I'm going to be trying on is the lip tint. So this is Perfect Peach. It actually looks really wonky in the tube, and I was like, there is no way in hell I can get away with this fluorescent orange color. But let me swatch it on the back of the hand. So it actually starts, like when it warms up on your hand, it starts to change colors. So as you can see, it's warming up, warming up, warming up, deepening, deepening, deepening. I thought that was really cool. So this is what it looks like on the lips. It kind of goes on a bit like a lip balm. It feels like a chapstick almost, but it's super light. See, it's kind of just as it's heating up with my body, it's lightly changing colors. I really think that's a super interesting formula. Has that same saccharine taste to it. That I feel like I would kind of get sick of after a while, but see, that's what it looks like on the back of my hand now. So it goes on clear, but then it changes to this color here. All right, and the last color I'm going to be trying on is this color Perfect Berry. Now, it looks so dark in the tube that I was like, we'll see. So I'm just going to put this on the back of my hand. And see, that's the tint that it is. So it's deepening, deepening, deepening. That is so cool to me. I love when that happens. So this is what it looks like on the lips. All right, now it has the slightest ever fragrance to it, but it's not overbearing. The thing that keeps throwing me off is that taste. It's, I guess, something that you can get used to. It's just not something that I really like about makeups when they have like tastes to them, or they've got like super strong smells. That really throws me off. And sometimes it can give me a headache. So I try to like shy away from fragranced products. But yeah, so that's what those two little tints look like on the back of my hand. And you can see that berry one really deepens up, but it's not anywhere near as dark of a blue as in the tube. So that's basically it. I got them all for 14 bucks at Target. I was so excited. I was going to see a movie with a friend. I went and saw A Quiet Place. By the way, that movie is phenomenal. It was so good. I was like, my bum hardly touched the seat because I kept jumping. Anyway, I happened to go into Kmart and I was like, oh, I said I got these at Target. I meant Kmart. But I happened to be passing Kmart and I was like, I'll just take a look and see what kind of products they've got here as far as makeup is concerned. And they had like this wall of e.l.f. products and I got so excited. And then I saw all of these and they were on sale for like $2 and $4. And so I was like, all right, I can totally buy these right now. So I've never tried any e.l.f. products in the past, so I was really excited to give them a go. They've got everything from complexion to correctors to powders, brushes, lippies. I mean, you name it, they've got it there. So I'm really excited to go back, take a look at the different e.l.f. products they've got, and try out some of their brushes as well. So that is the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.